Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan, they're married and they're committed, and for some reason, in spite of being madly in love with each other, their professional जो उनकी जो pairing है वो शादी के बाद नहीं चल पाई है. And Abhishek doesn't seem to be going through a very fabulous phase, if you ask me right now.
ऐश्वर्या को अपना बच्चन बहू का टाइटल थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाना चाहिए.
ऐश्वर्या राय की इमेज हो गई है पहले से ज्यादा पॉपुलर. ऑफ स्क्रीन ऐश एंड अभी आर कॉल्ड द गोल्डन कपल. उनकी एनिवर्सरी हो या फिर बर्थडे, लोग सुनते हैं उनकी हर कहानी जैसे वो हो कोई फेरी टेल. बट ये क्या, द वंस हिट गुरु कपल नाउ ऑन द सिल्वर स्क्रीन सीम्स टू बी स्टेल. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है इस सुपर कूल कपल का करियर टेक ऑफ शादी के बाद?
I think what Abhishek has is a great sense of humor, and I don't think that anyone has tapped it. So if someone could give him a script with a great sense of humor,
Comedy.
yes, comedy, it would work. That is for one part. And then secondly, we were talking about their relationship and their on-screen chemistry. I saw film Ravan where I felt there was a bit of chemistry. Only thing was maybe it was all getting covered in all the bushes and trees and mountains and lakes that they were showing. But there was chemistry. So I think this year, let's give them another chance. I think they'll do well.
So Abhishek and Aishwarya are a good partnership for 2011?
Absolutely. Let's give them a chance.
Coming back to the question, you were saying something कि ऐश्वर्या कहीं पर अपने बच्चन बहू के फैक्टर पर अगर कम फोकस करें. Are you trying to say that she is probably more fascinated by the fact that she's a Bachchan Bahu and that she's ignoring her career? I didn't understand.
You know what, Simi? I think कि बच्चन बहू रहने से privileges ज़्यादा मिलते हैं, maybe public में, maybe privately also. So sometimes you can be overwhelmed, or you may have to play the part. So she has to play the part of a bahu, then a bachchan bahu for the public, and then an actress, and then a wife. So I think बहुत ज़्यादा role नहीं हो गए.
So there's too much pressure on her playing the part of a Bachchan Bahu.
Yeah, but I think that she will sort of, you know, move on to feeling just like an actress. And when she does, because she is a Scorpion, and Scorpions can be very focused. So when she focuses on just herself and career, I'm sure she'll do fabulously.